What's up, guys? This is Aman from Tech Unwind 9, and I'm going to be showing you some new and unusual cases today for the Apple AirPods Pro. Here we go. First up, we got this really cool Spider-Man case. For those of you that love Spider-Man, the case is really rugged. Solid case, solid build. Opens and closes perfectly. Tactile feel to it. It's got a really nice design to it. If you touch it, you can feel the resivity of the spider webs. Now, it also has that side hookup for a lanyard, and the lanyard comes with it. You can see that. So if you want to hang it from your book bag, or I don't know, if you have a backpack or whatever you can hook it up to, you can use it for if you want to use it like that, okay? This is really nice. A lot of these cases are a little bit tough to get off, as you guys can see, but I finally got it off, which I actually don't mind. I actually like it tighter, so that way it doesn't come off it. Next up, we got the Pokeball. I love this one a lot. I mean, this one I actually took it to the gym one day just to see how it is. Since I ended up buying all of these, I said, you know what, let me go and try these out, right? Now, with this one, this is actually a pretty thick case. It's probably one of the thickest cases that I have, which I didn't like because, I mean, it's massive in your pocket. But you know what? Who cares? It looks so nice. I had to try it. So I took this to the gym, and I had a lot of compliments on this one. I mean, a lot of people were asking me where I got that from when I started using it, or what is that, period. This one works pretty well. The top came off a couple of times when I was opening it. So just something to keep in mind. And it's a 3-piece case. The red, the black, and the white are 3 separate pieces. So you get a lot of protection. And you're not going to be able to wirelessly charge with any of these cases. So just so you know, okay? Also has a lanyard connection if you need it. I believe this came with a regular lanyard. It didn't come with anything special. So you can use any kind, basically. And while we're at it, I'm going to try to get this open. If you guys can give me a shout out, just subscribe to my channel, maybe like the video. It'll really be helpful to my channel. So this here is a Pokeball from Pokemon, okay? Now, next up is one of my favorite. Actually, this is not one of my favorites. It is my favorite. This is the Nintendo Switch case. This one, I mean, if you go out with this one, people want to know where you got it from, okay? All of these cases are from Amazon, so you can just go on Amazon and buy these. Pretty easy and simple to do. I'll leave the links down below, so you can get those if you need to get them, okay? This is my favorite, honestly, out of all of them. All the buttons are raised, so it's really nice, and it feels really good in your hand. And you can see the top and the bottom does not come off at all. You get the nice lanyard, and it says Switch on top of it. You can see it says it on both. They could make it a little bit better on the back, but it's good enough. And all of these cases are really good with connecting your charger with it, so you shouldn't have any issues with it at all. You can use an aftermarket charger with it also, as long as it plugs in, because the space where you plug in the charger is pretty big on all of these, so you shouldn't have any issues. Next up, we've got Mario. So you got this one. That's a pretty nice one from Mario. That's the Toad. I like this one. Anybody that's a Mario fan, this is a go. It comes with its own lanyard. You see, that's a basic lanyard, nothing special, but it'll do the trick. I personally like that lanyard better because you can hook it onto anything. If you have, I don't know, if you have like a keychain, you can hang this on the keychain or anything else that you like. The other ones, I don't know if you could use it for much. Those are just more for design or something that you can put around your finger. But this one you can actually hang on to, and you can put it on something. Backpack or whatever. All right. Well, that's Mario Kart, or Mario. Next up, what do we got next? What are we gonna pick? Let's see. Ooh, we're gonna pick the Star Wars. I love this one. You guys know what this is, right? Storm Troopers. I love this one. This is my favorite. One of my favorites, actually. Now, this one, I notice the top comes off sometimes also, okay? Just in case you guys are wondering. But you know what? Not all the time. It came off a few times in the beginning, but then I tightened it up, and then that was good, okay? It's a really a nice case in the way that they actually have flat bottom. So you can have this sitting straight up on your desk, and it looks really cool. So if you're working on your computer, you can leave it right there. It looks really nice. Nobody even knows what it is. It just looks like a cool little thing. And then you pop it open, and bam, you got your AirPods Pro. So I really like that. And that has the connection for the lanyard also, okay? This one comes off pretty easy if you're trying to get that AirPods out of there. Wasn't any issues compared to the other ones, okay? Here we go. Next ones. You know what this one is, right? That's Pokemon. I think that was Bulbasaur, but I'm not 100% sure about that one, okay? If I'm wrong about that, someone can send me a message on the bottom and let me know. But I'm pretty sure that was a Bulbasaur. Anyways, it's a Pokemon. Really high quality product. They did a great job on the details. Even the tail, you can see it's really nice. I like this one. This is one of my favorites because of the color scheme. I really like the color scheme with blue and orange and black and yellow. It looks really nice. That's the lanyard right there. You can hook. I'll show you guys. It hooks up pretty nice onto it. And same thing. You can use it on your backpack. There you go. Perfect. Sturdy, strong. It's not going to break off. The top was pretty tight on there, which I like on this one. The bottom was a little bit hard to get off. I think this is the one I had trouble with. I couldn't get this one off. But, eventually it worked out. There we go. Yep. And that's Pokemon right there. Now, this one over here, I had ordered one for AirPods Pro, but this actually, they sent me the wrong one. So this was for the original AirPods or AirPods 2. So I'm just going to show you guys that one, okay? Just because it looks so cool, okay? So this one is for AirPods 1 and 2, not the AirPods Pro, just so you guys know, okay? But this is a really nice case. It's a Mickey Mouse case, and I had to get it, all right? Take a look at that one right there. So that one has a lanyard hookup. For anybody that's a Disney fan, this is actually perfect. So you guys get a freebie in here, okay? This is for the first and the second one. For those of you that have the first and the second ones that are thinking about getting the AirPods Pro, you may not have to get a AirPods Pro. You can just give it a little case and call it a day, okay? And hey guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon at the bottom of the video. It'll really help me out with my channel. And I have plenty of other videos you guys can check out on the bottom. If you like reviews, go ahead and check those out. I've got so many of them. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.